Do you have a dispute with your neighbor about the fence between your properties? Unfortunately, many times property owners discover later that the fence separating their home from the neighbor's doesn't match the land survey. Can a property owner remove the fence? Well, talking to your neighbor is the first step. Explain the situation to the neighbor and ask whether the fence can be removed or repositioned. You might be surprised. Perhaps the neighbor isn't happy with the fence either. However, if you can't find a workable solution together, then you may have to resort to other remedies. You may be able to sue the neighbor for the fence intruding onto your property and have it forcibly removed. However, if the fence has been on your property for a substantial number of years, your neighbor may be able to claim a right to keep that fence intact based on a legal principle called adverse possession. Now, that's when a person can obtain rights to property he or she doesn't own after using that property for the statutory number of years. After the adverse possession time limit is reached, that portion of the property legally becomes that of the possessor, assuming all the legal elements have been met, which differ by state. And if you've been unable to resolve a fence dispute with your neighbor, contact an attorney to determine what legal options you may have. If the situation has been ongoing for quite some time, don't delay, as the clock continues to tick and may jeopardize your legal rights to remedy the situation.